Hey, go ahead and grab that C-spine over there. Help him out.
In emergency response, time can be the difference between life and death, but required training often pulls crews off the streets. Now, the Seminole County Fire Department is bringing the training directly to individual stations. They have transformed a retired rescue truck into a mobile simulation lab, a traveling classroom ambulance designed to keep firefighters trained without taking them out of service.
For us to be at the top of our game and provide citizens with the best care possible, we need to train. Training is a must.
Each month, instructors drive the mobile sim lab to fire stations across the county, completing about 20 hands-on training labs. The 1-hour training focuses on low-frequency, high-stress emergencies.
This would be the primary goal of what the mobile sim lab is, and that is running real-life scenarios with our mannequins that we have. We can program a lot of different illnesses and injuries, so whatever we want, is our imagination create.
84% of their calls are EMS related, which is why the mobile lab focuses entirely on emergency medical care.
Looking for innovative ways to provide more training, better training, is always what we're looking to do. Obviously, seconds matter. Being able to provide this type of training is going to make our crews more skilled, faster at doing their job, faster at doing those things that they don't get to do that often. But outside of that, that also keeps the crews in their district.